Everybody talking about MVP in SaaS. But have you ever heard of one built in just 60 days? No, right? But what if I told you that 60 days is enough to turn an idea in your head into something real? Something people can actually use without burning out, without wasting money, and without building features nobody want. I did not believe this either until I saw how most startups actually fail. They don't fail because the idea is bad. They fail because they build too much too early for the wrong people. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a 60-day MVP journey. Not like a textbook, but like how it actually feels when you are building one. First, let us fix the biggest misunderstanding. An MVP is not cheap version of your product, it is not half done, and it is definitely not something you are embraced to show. An MVP is the smallest version of your product that creates a real value and teaches you something important. See, your goal is not perfection, but your goal is to be learning fast. And that learning happen in 5 phases. Phase 1 is the pain hunt. It is for 1 to 10 days. Before you write code, before you design anything, you have to stop and ask yourself one uncomfortable question. Who is actually struggling with this problem? Not who might like it, not who could use it someday, who is feeling the pain right now. Here is how you spend these first 10 days. First, choose one very specific type of user. Second, write down their top 3 frustrations. Third, talk to 10 to 15 real people who fit that profile. Fourth, don't pitch your idea, ask about how they currently solve the problem. If people are not already hacking together solutions, then your MVP won't matter. This phase feels slow, but if you skip it, then your product definitely dies. And phase 2 is cutting the idea in half. It is for 11 to 20 days. Now comes to the hardest part and ask yourself 2 questions. Number 1, what is the one action a user must complete to get value? Number 2, what is the one feature that enables that action? That's your MVP. Everything else goes onto a not now list. Not never, but just not now list. Here is a simple rule to remember. If your feature does not help you to validate your main assumption, then it does not belong. Phase 3 is build ugly, build fast. It is for days 21 to 40. This is where most people mess up. They polish, they redesign, they add just one more feature. But that don't required. Instead of that, do this. Number 1, use whatever helps you move fast. No code tools, a simple tech stack, or even manual work behind the scene. Second, build only the core functionality. And third, create a flow that's clear and usable, not beautiful. Now fourth, prioritize reliability over aesthetics. See, your MVP does not need to impress investors, but it needs to be work. Phase 4 is reality check. That's for 41 to 50 days. Now comes to the scary part. You release it. Not when it is perfect, not when you feel confident. You release it when it works. Here is what to do next. Number 1, bringing 10 to 30 real users. Second, watch them use the product silently if possible. And third, notice where they hesitate, where they get confused, and where they smile. Now fourth, ask one powerful question. How disappointed would you be if this disappeared tomorrow? That answer tell you more than any dashboard ever will. Now phase 5 is the honest decision. That is for 51 to 60 days. Now it is time to face the truth and ask yourself. Number 1, are users coming back? Second, are they actually solving the problem? Third, are they asking for improvements, not features, but better solutions? Then make one of 3 decisions. First, iterate. Double down on what's already working. Second, pivot. Same problem, new angle. Third, kill it and save months of your life. Killing a weak idea early is not a failure, but it is a discipline. And final thought is, And MVP isn't about moving fast, but it is about seeing clearly. See, in 60 days, you are not building a company, but you are building a evidence. And the evidence is what turns your idea into real product. If this video helped you, then like it and comment MVP. I will share my exact MVP checklist with you. See you on the next video.